Another OEM arm getting made, guys, but there's better options. Or ALPHA6. Seen here, ALPHA6 on our drags. The ALPHA6 just has the OEM points and the drag ends right here. But you can tell right here, look at more tire. You know, you can run wider tires. That's on the EG and on the EK. Same thing on here. ALPHA6, this one's chromed out. You know, look at that. Plus it has more space to go. Oh, what was it?
Carton of eggs! Eggs!
Jits over here just banging them out. Look at this. Drag. ALPHA6. ALPHA6 drag. ALPHA6. You guys know the difference? One is shorter. A lot of wheel clearance. One is OEM mountain points. A lot of wheel clearance. Now the OEM arms, not that much wheel clearance. Perfect example, guys. The OEM arm, right? OEM arm, same OEM locations, but look at the wheel clearance. OEM arm. Even though we'll make them still, guys, we'll make them still, but if you can do the ALPHA6, do the ALPHA6 or the drag. All right. I know we said these won't be around for long, but you know, we're gonna keep on making them until, you know, we run out of arms at the junkyard. Drive shafts, 30K. Look at that. Upgraded 1310, 1310, 1310, 1310 slip. New carrier bearings, new 30K. This is right here, it's a stage 2.